case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a notable case hailing from the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Virginia in 1994, a Florida client found themselves embroiled in a lawsuit against their former attorney from Virginia over allegations of unpaid legal fees. The Florida client had been served with the lawsuit as per the stipulations of Virginia law. Swiftly responding, the Florida client accordingly filed a notice of removal intending to shift the case to federal court. However, a cloud of confusion gathered when, before the notice of removal had been filed, the Virginia court swiftly entered a default judgment against the client since they didn't file a formal response in the expected period. The Florida client, contending against the judgment, argued that the decision should be squashed, given that it had been handed down after their case had been moved to a federal court jurisdiction. The crux of their argument hinged on the belief that once a notice of removal is filed in federal court, state courts lose jurisdiction and can't proceed with the case. The court, however, provided a compelling view, asserting that a state court, in this case Virginia's, maintained jurisdiction until it received a concrete notice of removal. In the federal judge's perspective, the notice of removal had been filed belatedly and didn't suffice to nullify the default judgment entered by the state court. Thus, the court upheld the state court's default judgment against the Florida client. The case then forged ahead under the stringent stipulations of a scheduling order. The court generously extended the discovery period while also specifying the deadlines for the submission of exhibits, with the caveat that these would only be accepted without any prevailing objections. The existing deadline for filing other documents, however, stuck fast, insisting that no changes would be made.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class